The golden arches glow like a beacon on the empty highway. A neon sign flickers. Open 24 hours. New special tonight. A single car pulls into the lot, a silver Toyota with Jess at 29 at the wheel, yawning, half awake. She's been driving for 9 hours straight from Denver to Kansas City. Inside, the restaurant looks like every other McDonald's in America. Warm lights, red booths, smell of fries, and country music faintly playing on the speaker. But it's empty. No cashier, no cooks, just the hum of the soda machine. On the counter sits a perfectly wrapped Big Mac in a red box. Steam rises from it, fresh. Jess calling out, "Hello? Anyone here?" No answer. She glances at the receipt printer. It suddenly prints something by itself. The paper reads, "Order number 666, one customer." Jess laughs nervously, looking around. Then she hears a faint voice from the drive-thru speaker behind her. "Would you like to try our midnight special?" I didn't order anything." "You did now." The fryer turns on. The lights flicker. In the reflection of the menu board behind her, someone's standing at the fryer wearing the old 1990s McDonald's uniform. Their face is hidden by a Ronald McDonald mask, grease-smeared and cracked. "This isn't funny." She turns. The fryer's empty, but the Big Mac on the counter is gone. A shadow moves in the play area, red slide tubes creaking. Then the kid's toy speaker crackles. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, she's loving it. Jess runs for the door, but when she looks outside, there's no highway, no car, just endless glowing arches stretching into the dark, one after another, like a neon graveyard. Where am I? You're on the menu. The 24-hour special, only at McDonald's.
It's strange how every McDonald's looks the same, no matter where you go in America. Same smell, same fries, same music. But if you ever find one that's too quiet, that's too clean, don't go inside. Because not every order comes from the living.
Imagine creating your own cinematic movie with stunning visuals, lifelike voices, and dramatic storytelling, all made by AI and all for free. Sounds unreal? Well, not anymore. Hey everyone, welcome back to TechFix AI, where we turn your creative ideas into digital reality. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make a cinematic AI movie from scratch, completely free. We'll use ChatGPT for story and prompts, Google Whisk for consistent character images, Grok AI to bring them to life with motion, and a free voice generator for narration. And finally, we'll put it all together using any free video editor. Stick around till the end because I'll even show you how to make your first AI short movie intro scene, step by step. First up, the heart of your movie, the story. You don't need to be a professional writer. That's where ChatGPT comes in.
Just open ChatGPT and type something like, "Write a short horror story set in a McDonald's-style fast food shop that stays open 24 hours every day. Make it cinematic and creepy." ChatGPT will instantly build you a full short horror script with characters, visuals, and tension. You can even ask it to format it like a movie script or add a twist ending. Maybe the fries never get cold because the chef isn't human.
ChatGPT will give you a full cinematic script with scenes, narration, and dialogue. You can even ask it to write it in a specific tone, mysterious, emotional, horror, or futuristic. Now here's the trick. Once the script is ready, we'll also use ChatGPT to generate the image prompts for each scene. So just say, "Create image prompts for each scene of this story for Google Whisk AI Image Generator." ChatGPT will give you detailed visual descriptions, lighting, camera angle, mood, environment, everything. This detailed prompt is what makes your visuals look cinematic and consistent. Now let's move to Google Whisk, one of the newest and most powerful free AI image generators. Unlike most AI tools, Whisk focuses on consistency, meaning your characters, outfits, and lighting stay the same across multiple images. That's perfect for movie scenes. Just paste the prompts ChatGPT gave you one by one into Whisk. You'll get high-quality cinematic stills, almost like frames from a movie. You can also add a note like, use the same character as previous image, to maintain consistency across shots. In a few minutes, you'll have your entire movie visualized, scene by scene, with perfect cinematic shots, and it's all completely free. Now, still images are cool, but to make it look like a movie, we need motion. This is where Grok AI comes in. Grok AI is an emerging AI video generator that can turn images into cinematic video sequences. Simply upload your Whisk images into Grok AI, and it automatically adds realistic camera movements, pans, zooms, lighting effects, and even subtle character motion. You can say something like, add slow cinematic movement, film grain, and depth of field. And boom, now your still shots look like movie clips. Export each clip and save them all for editing later. Next, we need voiceovers, because what's a movie without sound? You can use any free AI voice generator, like 11 Labs free tier, Play.ht free plan, or TTS Maker. Copy your movie narration from ChatGPT, paste it into the voice generator, choose a cinematic or emotional voice, male or female, and download the audio file. Pro tip, add light reverb or echo in your editor to give it that cinematic feel. You can even use ChatGPT to generate background music ideas, or ask, give me a free cinematic soundtrack website for YouTube videos, and it'll list safe, copyright-free sources. Now, time to put it all together. Open your favorite free video editor, like CapCut Desktop, DaVinci Resolve, or Clipchamp. Import your Grok AI video clips, align them in order, and sync the AI voiceovers to the right scenes. Add background music, fade-ins, and cinematic filters. Most editors have built-in LUTs or color grading presets for that professional look. And there you go, your first AI-generated cinematic short film, made entirely from free tools. So that's how you can create a cinematic AI movie, 100% free, using ChatGPT, Google Whisk, Grok AI, and free voice generators. You don't need Hollywood, just creativity and the right AI tools. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your creative friends, and subscribe to TechFix AI for more powerful AI tutorials. Next week, I'll show you how to create a trailer using the same tools in under 10 minutes. See you then, and keep creating with AI.